1752 East Palo Alto Avenue here in Fresno. This is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. We have a little sunken living room right here. It's very inviting. Hello. But you have new fixtures like the ceiling fans, which all match throughout the house. Fresh paint, new floors. We had 4 different kinds of floors meeting right there when we started. Kitchen. This is my favorite because these brushed brass fixtures, wait for the light to adjust there, and they go with the handle pools, our new appliances. Look at that profile microwave. That is really special. And it's really nice because it's got the ventilated exhaust underneath and the light. So it takes all the cooking steam, smell, smoke right out of the kitchen. Just leaving this very lovely central area here. Another step down. Those are simulated logs. It's a gas log insert. And the brass on the fireplace, of course, matches the other brass fixtures in the house. The ceiling fans, that all match. It's really pretty. Because the flooring turned out just lovely. Spoiled Home did our staging here, so they brought some stuff. We also brought our own stuff because we wanted to show what the house looks like. And someone's living in it. This might be my favorite of our changes here in the house. This includes the quartz that matches the kitchen countertop. The floor, of course, is seamless throughout. You've got the nice brushed brass fixtures, a square sink, the round mirror. I've asked my friends to come to this open house because I want to show it off. Which means you'll want to show it off. Do you see the orange tree outside this window? I might choose this room because I would love to watch over the days and weeks and months the orange tree blossom. And then the little oranges start to grow, green and small, and then they grow up. More fruit trees in the back. But what a backyard. And that is a beautiful tree. Again, the seamless floor throughout. Other fixtures, including the brass. One's actually on a dimmer. So if you like a night light at night, you just want it to be enough light for safety, for peace of mind. Now we went back to the chrome features in here. Isn't that beautiful? Because the shower has the chrome around it. It's already quite nice. But all fresh painted. There's that tree again. out there. So our team did the staging in the bedrooms. But I think if this were the house I were buying today, I would definitely want a table and chair set just like that. It looks so good with it. Very cozy fire area. Can you see this? California has some huge trees. In the Central Valley, there are just some huge personality-filled trees that people end up giving names because they become part of the family. Got a spacious backyard, the grass, and look at this covered area here. Patio, fully fenced. It's a good looking fence. So 2 living rooms. I guess this could be an office. If you want an office. Because you do end up having 2 living rooms here. The garage. It's a 2-car garage. And the washer, dryer, and refrigerator, along with these other appliances, are coming with the house. It's back down the hallway here. Still my favorite.